Welcome back to the channel. After a great response to my last video, I was inspired to do another one, and I thought this would be an interesting video to do. So today I was doing 2 door lining sets. This is part of a bigger project that I'm doing. Firstly, I unwrapped the door linings. Howdens didn't have the correct door linings in stock, so I had to rebate the heads myself, which I don't mind doing, to be honest, because they're usually the wrong size anyway. Then I screw it together using 50mm screws. Next, I put the door lining into the opening. I do my door lining slightly different to some. I start by leveling off the hinge side, get it completely level and plumb, and then I temporarily fix the latch side. At this point, I'm not awfully concerned about how level it is because I will adjust it later once the door is on. Just remember to stay hydrated. Next, I will route out the hinges on the door. I use the trend skeleton jig. It's so much more accurate and quicker doing it with a jig. Then I attach the hinges to the door. Firstly, I knock corners off using the trend corner cutter. Then I use a centralizing drill bit to make sure the screws are dead center. If you're interested in any of the items you've seen in this video, I've got an Amazon product list. The link is in the description. I repeat the process on the door lining and then the door is ready to go on. this is where I fine adjust the latch side to match the door. I like to use these temporary door handles from Bedrooms Plus, firstly because they give you a perfect 3mm gap you need, and it also makes the door a lot easier to open and close whilst doing the adjustments. Lastly, I foam the lining up so there's no chance of movement over time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I try and do another video showing more work on this project. So be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of this method, if you do it this way or you might try it in the future.